Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add subtitles to your Netflix account. So let's start. So the first thing, I'm going to open Netflix right here, and what I'm going to do, I will just open a TV show, like, I don't know, Tokyo Ghoul that I have here, and I will just click here, and then you're gonna see here audio and subtitles. And now you just add the subtitles which you actually want: English, Hungarian.
But it's all about the degree you got.
And this is pretty much it, how you do it, right? So click here and audio and subtitles. So have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.